Big center table, big mistake. Your center table should never block walking space. Always keep 15 to 18 inches gap around it. Right size premium look. Choose center table shape like a pro. Rectangular and round doesn't guess. Long sofa and rectangular table. Long sofa, rectangular table work best. Small space go around better moment. Small living room, glass table make small room looks bigger. Light reflection show. They reflect light and reduce visual clutters. How to style center table in 10 seconds. Messy table, they looks messy. Remove extra items, use the rule of 3, book tray and plant. Luxury center table looks on budget. Simple wooden table, changing nothing, just a style smart. Add marbly tray, candle,